Hello everyone, welcome to my name is Sam and welcome back to Student Cooking with Sam. This is now episode 3 and we've graduated to quite possibly the most advanced thing we'll ever cook on this series. That's right, it's a pot noodle. So, if you don't know, the first stage of cooking a pot noodle is boiling the kettle, which I've already had to do. As I said in the last episode of this, it will destroy the audio for everyone if I don't, so we're going with that. So what you're going to want to do is you open up your pot noodle halfway, and I've already ruined it, that's cool, just about halfway to there, and then you pull out your sachet. I've gone for the curry flavour, which of course comes with mango sauce. So then stick with me here because I know this is advanced. There's a little line in there. If you just get your kettle, now boiled of course, and then you pour in the water up to the fill line. And make sure it's up to there. Perfect. So if you see now the water has come up to that line, that's what you want. Then you're going to push this lid back down as best as you can. I've obviously destroyed mine, so it's not easy to do, but we'll do it. And then you're going to, of course, get your laptop and open up the bomb timer. This is a very important step, actually. And you're just going to put in for 2 minutes, and you're going to set the bomb timer. Oh, and then you're going to click start. I didn't see that for a second then. And then you're just going to stand here and wait. Perfect. So that sound means that the timer has run out. So then we're just going to click clear, and we're going to bring our timer to the side. Then we're going to get our pot noodle back out, and we're going to pull the lid back once again. We're now going to get the sauce that we got out earlier, remember that, and we're going to just open this up. There's a little tear here bit, just on this side. You just open that all the way along, nicely done. And then we're going to squeeze it in, just like so. Make sure all of the mango sauce is out and into the pot. Perfect. And then put your rubbish in the bin, like the good housemate you are. And get out a fork quickly. I should have had that ready, but I forgot about it. And then you're just going to want to stir that in nicely, trying not to rip any more of the foil. Okay, perfect. Then you're going to want to push the lid back down, put your fork on top or whatever, like that. Put that to the side, bring out your laptop with the timer again and start another 2-minute timer. Perfect. So now, as you know from before, that sound, means that the timer has ended, which means our 2 minutes is over, which means we can now lift up the lid and pull it fully off this time. Hooray! And now your pot noodle should be done. Got some awkward foil there, but it's fine. So we're just going to stir it a bit more just to make sure it's nice. And then we're going to do our taste test right here. Give it a quick blow because it's hot. And that is lovely. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. I hope you've been following along. I know it was advanced, so hopefully your pot noodles go well. And if you're wondering why I've just wasted 8 minutes of my life and yours to make a pot noodle, you might want to check what day this video was posted. That's right. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow with a proper video. Goodbye.